Hi, it's Brian St.Clair with 6th Ave Homes in Fort Worth. I've got a new listing coming that I want you to take a look at. This is 102 Kings Place in Joshua. This house was built in 1988. We have 2,365 square feet, and we've got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, plus we've got a 4-vehicle carport, and we also have an in-ground pool and a 15 by 10 storage building. It's a great property on a small court in a great location. Take a look around and let me know what you think.